Hi everyone, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Now we are going to learn about how to extract the first name and last name. For example, we have the GST number. GST number contains 15 characters. GST number having 15 characters. This is the GST number. So out of the GST number, this first two digit is called state code. Can give this color separately. Then last three digit called zonal code. We can give separate color. Then 10 letters. This called PAN numbers. Okay. So the GST number contains state code, PAN number and zonal code. Now we want to extract the state code separately, PAN number separately and zonal code separately. Now we can use the left formula. Select the text, comma, how many characters you want to split? 2 number. This is the answer. Now what is the formula I have used? Formula, select the text. So this is the formula I have used. Then I want to split the PAN number. I can use the mid formula, MID, middle, mid. So select the text. I want to give what is the starting number of the middle character, A. So that means first, second and third character. So I have to give third character. Then how many characters you want to split? PAN number having 10 characters, A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, F. So 10 characters. We have to close it. So we can get the PAN number separately. Finally, how to split the zonal code? Use right formula, select the data, and then how many characters you want to split in the right side? 3 characters. So close it. So you can get the answer. So this is the formula I have used here. Can everyone understand? So in this given data, GST number, out of the GST number, we have GST number contains state code, PAN number and zonal code. So state code having 2 digit. So we have used the left formula, split that state code separately, and then zonal code having 3 characters. So we have used the right formula and then split the 3 characters. Finally, in the middle, we have the PAN number. So in 10 characters. So we have used the mid formula. Use the mid formula and split the PAN number separately. If you copy paste, you can get the same. This is case 1. Now we are going to have a second exercise. Suppose you have the data, you have the name, cricket player's name, Ajay Jadeja, Anil Kumble, Kapil Dev, Murali Vijay, like this. I want to split the first name and last name. What I have to do? I can use the left formula. Select the data, and then I have to select the characters. What is the characters for Ajay? 4 character. Close. So I can use Ajay. Suppose if I copy paste to all, I'll get the wrong answer because for Sachin 6 character, Rohit 5 character, Parthiv Patel 7 characters. So this is not using now. For this situation, I am going to use the formula. What is the formula I am going to use? Left and then select the data, comma, open the apostrophe, space, and then close the apostrophe, find formula, open the apostrophe, space, close the inverted comma, and then comma, again select the data. Now you can get the answer. So left formula with the find formula. I will give again left, select the text, comma, and then give find, open inverted comma, space, close the inverted comma, and then comma, again select the text. So you can get the answer. Okay friends, the same way you are going to use the last name. What is the formula you are going to use? Right formula. So use right, select the text, comma, before using the find, you have to find the length of the character. So you have to select the length minus, then you have to find now. Open the inverted comma, space, close the inverted comma, comma, selected that test. You will get the separate name, last name separately. This is the formula. Use the right formula. And then we have third exercise. Every state having state code. Jammu Kashmir number 1, Himachal Pradesh 2, Punjab 3, Chandigarh 4, like that. In India, we have 37 states having 37 state code. So based on the state code, we are giving the example. We have the data, we have the bank name and with the GST number. For example, this is the GST number, 15 characters. And then bank name. So this is the data available. We have the data, bank and GST number. We want to split the bank name separately, GST number separately. How to do that? Now we are going to use the formula left. Select the test, comma, find. Before that, we have to use the length of the formula. Length, select the test, close the formula, minus how many characters you want to split? 15 character of GST number. So close it. Now you can get the Canara Bank. You want to get the GST number separately. Use right formula, select the data, and then in right characters, how many characters you want to split? 15 characters. 01 state code, 10 number of PAN number, so 12, and then zonal code 3, 15. So you can get the GST number separately. Now you copy paste here. You can get the GST number separately. Now you can copy paste. You can get the answer. This is the formula I have used here. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and please click the bell button if you have the future updates. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next session.